everyone, and welcome back to your daily dose of Math Minamathdaling video contents together with your mathematics teacher, Sir Vince. And for today, ito ay continuation ng ating series about the equations of a circle, part 2. So last time, diniscuss natin kung paano ba mag-transform na equation ng circle from the general form going to its standard form. So, for our part 2 of this video, so we will be tackling about how to convert or transform naman mula kay standard form going to the general form. Parang pabalik. Okay? So, ngayon, meron na lang tayong apat na step. For our step number 1, kumbaga babalik lang tayo eh. Mula doon sa standard, aakyat tayo going to the general form. So, pabalik ang ating approach. So, una is to square the two binomials. So, applying yung natutunan mo nung junior high school or the grade 8 math, kung saan ikaw ay tinuruan kung paano ba mag-square ng isang binomial. For step number 2 is to place all the terms to the left side of the equation. So, dapat lahat ng terms is nasa left side ng equation at ang nasa right side is wala na or zero na lang. For the third step, we will now simplify the equation by combining all like terms. Kung mayroong mga kayang pagsamahin natin. And for the fourth step, we will now follow the general form of the circle. So, I assure you, mas madali itong video na to dahil mas maikse ang proseso. Okay, so tara na at simulan natin ang pag-transform ng standard form papuntang general form. So let's have our first example. Let us transform x plus 1 squared plus the square of y minus 5 is equal to 1. So ang unang gagawin natin to transform it papuntang standard form or to general form is to square the two binomials. I-square natin or i-expand natin yung dalawang binomials na nasa equation. So, observe that meron kang dalawang binomials na naka-squared. Yun yung x plus 1 tsaka y minus 5. So, I will have a separate video for that kung paano ba mas madaling mag-square ng binomial. So, make sure to like, to subscribe, and to comment down below para updated ka sa aking mga latest posts and uploads about mas minamathdaling video contents. So ngayon, paano ba kapag ganito? So in shortest way, simple lang. To square a binomial, square the first term, multiply the first term, the second term, and 2, tapos square the last term. Repeat. Square the first term, multiply the first term, the second term, and 2, tapos square the last term. Let's start. Let's start with x plus 1. Square the first term, x squared. Multiply x times 1 times 2. Ilan? That's 2x. So x times 1 is x times 2, 2x. And lastly, square the last term. 1 squared or 1 times 1, that's 1. So you have x squared plus 2x plus 1. Tandaan, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, how about yung y? Okay, square the first term, y squared. Multiply y times negative 5, negative 5y, times 2, negative 10y. So you have y squared minus 10y. And square the last term, negative 5 times negative 5, that's positive 25. So you have y squared minus 10y plus 25. So ito siya. Di ba kayang-kaya mo? Kaya mo siyang i-mental math. Square the first term, multiply first term, second term, and 2, square the last term. So ganyan siya. Pinagsama ko lang o tinanggal ko yung parenthesis para mas madali mo na siyang masolve. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus y plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 1. So for our next step, sabi, replace all the terms or place all the terms to the left side of the equation. So yung 1, minove ko lang doon sa left side of the equation. Minove ko lang siya. And di ba, dapat when we transpose terms, you should always change the sign. So from positive 1, naging negative 1. Next step is to combine all like terms. At kung i-observe mo, wala naman ibang like terms dyan, kundi ang constant terms. Di ba? Ito lang yung pwede mong makombine. Yung 1, yung 25, at yung negative 1. So ngayon, pag pinagsama, 1 plus 25, that's 26, minus 1, that's 25. Positive 25. So this will become x squared plus 2x plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. And for our last step, let us just transform it to its general form. So gagawin mo siya na ganyang form. So dapat nasa unahan sa x squared, followed by y squared, followed by x, followed by y, and last is yung constant. Di ba sabi natin, yung D, yung E, tsaka yung F are constants. They are numbers. So just fix it na naka-general form. So ilagay mo yung x squared sa unahan, y squared, x, yung y, tapos constant. So pag inayos natin yan, this will become x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 10y plus 25 equals 0. Kung napapansin mo, dinala ko lang naman, pinagpalit ko lang ng pwesto yung y squared tsaka yung 2x. At kung napapansin mo, siya ay naka-general form na. Di ba? Mas madali at mas basic kahit papano ang pag-transform from standard going to general form. Kayang-kaya? Basic? Sige, kopyahin, namnamin, at i-digest. Nakuha na? I hope na gets so we can proceed with our next example. Let us transform this equation y, or the square of y minus 4 plus the square of x plus 8 equals 100 to general form. So, same process mula kanina. Ang gagawin is una, square the binomials. Okay, mental math. Okay, square the first term, y squared. Multiply y times negative 4 times 2, negative 8y. Negative 4 squared, positive 16. So you have y squared minus 8y plus 16. How about yung x? Square the first term, x squared. Multiply x times 8 times 2, 16x. Square the last term, 64. So you have x squared plus 16x plus 64. So you have this one is equal to 100. Kayang-kaya mo siyang i-mental math. Next step, lipat yung constant term sa left side. Nagiging ganito siya. Y squared minus 8y plus 16 plus x squared plus 16x plus 64 minus 100 equals 0. Since 0 na nasa ating right side, let us combine all the constant terms. So, pagsamahin mo lang yung mga naka-highlight dyan na dilaw. So, 16 plus 64 minus 100, this will become negative 20. 16 plus 64 is 80. Minus 100, that's negative 20. So, you have y squared minus 8y plus x squared plus 16x minus 20 equals 0. And para sa ating last step, ayusin mo lang siya na naka-general form, x squared, y squared, dx, ey, tsaka f equals to 0. So, this will become x squared plus y squared plus 16x minus 8y minus 20 equals 0. Basic. Kayang-kaya mo magpunta ng standard form going to general form. Okay? Basic ba? Kayang-kaya na? I hope kayang-kaya mo na yan. So to assess yourself, let us try this one. Try for yourself. Transform this equation to general form. Make sure to comment down below your answer so I can check and make a heart kung tama at nakuha mo ang proseso. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video for our third part of this series. So kita-kits to our next videos. Thank you for watching and see you with our next video. Bye-bye and I love you.